Hey, I'm Gina Rogers, and I'm a digital learning consultant at Grant Wood AEA. In this video, we'll spend some time talking about ways to refine your search in Google Drive. So when you're in Google Drive, you might be familiar with the search bar. And so that allows you to put in the name of a document or keywords that might be showing up in that document. But sometimes you get something returned in that search that is just way too much to deal with. And so, for example, if I put in here blended learning, that's going to yield like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of documents for me. One thing that I can do to try to find that document a little bit more easily is refining my search. And so what I mean by that is to use some of these filters down here to refine that search. And so one way that I can do that is to refine by location. So is it in my drive? Is it something that was shared with me? Do I think it's in my starred? Maybe it got into my trash on accident. I'll be able to refine my search that way and look in those locations. I can also refine my search by file type. So if I remember for sure it was a presentation about blended learning, I can choose that to refine by. I can refine by people. So I can search for documents that are from certain people. So for example, if I want to search from something by Beth, I can look anything that Beth was shared on or that she owned or was shared to me from her. Last modified, so I can refine by a specific date, the title only, or then also through the to-dos. And so if it's a document that's waiting for approval, or if it's got suggestions on it or action items that need to be taken, I can refine by those documents that have those things listed there. I can also use my filters up here, which are overlapping to the ones that we just went through, but there are a few just different ways that you can refine by too. So for example, you can refine by item name. So if you remember part of the name, it has, and when I search CCA, blended learning, I'm going to find all of my documents that have those things in the title. Want to know more? Reach out to your digital learning consultant at Grant Wood AEA or check out the links in the notes below. Have a great day.